First this evening, researchers say residents in Kingston should brace for hotter days.
The city will record the second highest increase in average temperatures of any metropolitan area across the world in a little as 10 years.
The data were discussed at the recent RGR Gleaner News Forum. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
The sun pelts the city of Kingston through the clouds. It's something we're all used to, but in recent years, complaints like these.
Every year it's getting hotter and hotter.
You think so?
Yes, because when I was a child it was never so hot.
Yo, he turn up, man. Yo, Mr. Son, enough time we out here, our lip crack up, man. He turn up wicked.
Researchers worldwide have attributed the warmer temperatures to climate change, and by all indications, global temperatures are expected to increase significantly. Here in Jamaica, it's no different, says Director of the Center for Environmental Management at the University of the West Indies, Dr. David Smith, speaking at the latest RJR Gleaner News Forum.
Within tropical countries, probably between somewhere like 2020 and 2030, we are going to, in tropical countries, seek temperatures and regimes that we've never seen before.
He pointed to a study conducted by University of Hawaii in 2013, which shows cities that will experience warmer climates than they have seen in the last 150 years.
What city is second on that list? Kingston, Jamaica.
It would appear we're already feeling a pinch from prolonged dry spells and hotter days. Umbrellas, tents, and papers are often used for relief. As if that's not already a task, Jamaicans are being advised to brace themselves.
It's about 2022, 2023 or so. From that date onwards, our coolest average year will be warmer than the warmest average year we had up to that point.
I'm currently in the middle of Halfway Tree, and the heat is no joke. We're being told, however, that it's actually one of the cooler days. Been standing here for about 5 minutes, and already I've counted at least 25 persons walking with water. Big bottles, medium and small. But that's not all. Vendors selling the commodity says the hotter days are generating more business.
You can sell out $5, $6 a day with easy.
So with researchers warning Jamaicans about warmer days in the coming years, some may be asking what to do.
In the tropics, we really have to adapt because we don't have a lot of time.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.